Vinyl window installation in Salt Lake City is a popular choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient windows. With a variety of vinyl window styles available, residents can enjoy both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Vinyl Windows Salt Lake City contractors offer expert services to ensure proper installation and long-lasting performance. Energy-efficient windows in Utah are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Vinyl Window Insulation Utah provides excellent thermal performance, keeping homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Vinyl window benefits include lower energy bills and increased home value, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. Custom vinyl windows Salt Lake City allow for personalized designs that match any architectural style. Vinyl Window Customization Utah offers a range of options, from color and finish to hardware and glass types. Homeowners can achieve the perfect look while enjoying the durability and low maintenance of vinyl window frames. Window replacement services in Salt Lake City are crucial for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Vinyl Window Replacement Salt Lake City ensures that outdated or damaged windows are replaced with modern, energy-efficient solutions. Vinyl window experts in Salt Lake City provide professional guidance and installation for seamless transitions. Double-hung vinyl windows are a versatile option for any home in Salt Lake City. These windows offer easy operation and cleaning, making them a popular choice among homeowners. Vinyl window features Utah include tilt-in sashes and secure locking mechanisms for added convenience and safety. Vinyl window replacement in Salt Lake City is essential for addressing any issues that may arise over time. Vinyl window maintenance ensures that windows remain in top condition, providing continued energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Salt Lake City Window Replacement Services offer prompt and reliable solutions for any vinyl window concerns. Affordable vinyl windows in Utah provide cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Vinyl Window Options Utah cater to various budgets, ensuring that every homeowner can enjoy the benefits of vinyl windows. Salt Lake City window contractors offer competitive pricing and exceptional service for all vinyl window needs. Vinyl window upgrades in Salt Lake City enhance both the functionality and appearance of your home. Salt Lake City window upgrades include advanced features such as improved insulation and noise reduction. Vinyl window enhancements Utah provide added comfort and value, making them a worthwhile investment. Vinyl window styles Utah offer a wide range of designs to suit any home. From traditional to contemporary, vinyl window designs Salt Lake City can complement any architectural aesthetic. Vinyl window aesthetics Salt Lake City ensure that your home looks its best while benefiting from modern window technology. Vinyl Window Solutions Utah provide comprehensive services for all your window needs. Whether you're looking for new installations or replacements, vinyl window specialists in Salt Lake City offer expert advice and quality workmanship. Vinyl Window Services Utah ensure that your windows are both functional and stylish. Vinyl Windows Salt Lake City frames are known for their durability and low maintenance. Vinyl window durability ensures that your windows will withstand the elements and remain in excellent condition for years to come. Window durability Salt Lake City is a key consideration for homeowners seeking long-lasting window solutions.